Hello friends, in this lecture we will develop a basic idea about HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is a markup language for describing web documents. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. A markup language is a set of markup tags. HTML documents are described by HTML tags. These HTML tags are written in pairs with an opening tag and a closing tag. And these tags are written as, first you have to give a less than sign. Then you have to write the keyword itself, say HTML. Then the greater than sign. So this is the opening tag. Now how you can close this? Again you need to give the less than sign, then a forward slash, again write the same keyword and then close it with the greater than sign. So this is the HTML tag. Like this we have other tags also, like head tag, which goes inside HTML tag. So it's like less than sign, then the head keyword, then greater than sign, and now close the tag with less than sign, then forward slash, then the keyword itself, and then the greater than sign. So this is how you can open a tag and you can close that tag. So these HTML tags are written in pairs, but remember one thing, not all the tags require the ending tag. There are many that we will see as we proceed further, but for now I will give you some examples, like say image tag, then line break tag. So these are the tags which doesn't require the ending tag. These are not written in pairs, but in maximum cases we will see that the tags are written in pairs with an opening tag and a closing tag. Now generally in an HTML document there are three main tags. The first one is HTML tag. This is the first and the last tag of the document. Then we have the head tag. And at last we have the body tag. So these are the three main tags that need to be present in an HTML document. Just keep this in mind. So what we have learned in this lecture: 1. What is HTML? So the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. And HTML is a markup language for describing web documents. And what is a markup language? A markup language is a set of markup tags. HTML documents have HTML tags. Now these HTML tags are written in pairs in maximum cases with an opening tag and a closing tag. And what are the main tags? The first one, that is HTML tag, then the head tag, and then the body tag. Now you will see that we have many more tags that will be explored as we go further in the course. But for now, this is sufficient to start off our course. So that's it. Here I conclude this lecture. In our next lecture, we will see a basic example of an HTML document. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.